Okay, this is another plugin pack for people who are doing Claude Code plus Obsidian. Welcome if you're doing that. It's an amazing combination of what you can do, especially with Opus 4.5 and a Pro subscription or a Mac subscription. It can absolutely change how you work and how you use a second brain. I've been using it probably steadily since November 2025, and there's no going back after that. But what I've discovered is if you take advantage of some of the things that are built into Obsidian, like the daily notes, you can start keeping track of everything that's going on in your Claude Code and Obsidian setup, and then you can get it to create skills and agents for you on the fly. You can do a complete analysis of what you've been doing and recommend spaces for automation, spaces to make things more efficient. So I've created this daily patterns pack. It's a skill called Log to Daily. It works when you use your daily notes functionality that's built into Obsidian. You do that by going into preferences, turning on daily notes, choosing a date format, picking a place to put them, and choosing a template. I've had my Obsidian, my Claude, I've had my Claude Code go through and create a bunch of dummy data just to kind of prove this point here. But what you'll find after you've created, weeks worth, or even a week, but weeks worth of notes or months worth of notes, just logging what you're doing or getting Claude to log what you've been doing, you've got a lot of context for it to work with. So for example, I've put a bunch of, I say about 3 weeks worth of sample data into this demo vault here to show you how it works. And if I just bring Claude up in here, to give you an example of what the daily notes look like over here on the side, they're really basic logs. In fact, we run it now. Let's do a demo. Whoops. Okay, and if I come and look at my daily note now, my sample daily note, I've got a couple things in here. Again, demo purposes, but it's basically logged the activity that I've done. Trust me, once you start using this on your actual production notes, it gets a lot more involved. And if you do log to daily, if you invoke it before compaction's about to hit, or you just periodically throughout the day say log to daily, it'll just append it to that daily note for you, and so you get it's a lot of stuff. It really will pay off over time. Okay, so now we've seen how log to daily works. I encourage you to set up daily notes on Obsidian if you're using it. It's really, really powerful if you link it with this. And then if you run Vault Analyst on my daily notes to look for opportunities for automation. Okay, from the demo data that was in here, it's found a couple opportunities for automation or for creating a new skill or an agent to help me through my workday. The quick win here is the PR review logger skill. Low effort to build, addresses a pattern that's appearing 13 times over 3 weeks. So build the PR review logger skill. This is prompted my creation guard skill that I have to stop me from creating stuff I may have already created before. Let's just go ahead and damn the torpedoes. And yeah, if you have creation guard, which I may have up already, if I don't, I'll put it up soon. It'll have a look to see if you've already got stuff in place. Yes, I already have logged a daily in place. I have logged a project as well. I have a code review skill already in here, but it's identified that there is a specific gap for logging PR reviews done in GitHub and GitLab. But there, yeah, I'm not going to create the skill because I don't need it. I've already got some overlap there. But that's it. It's called Daily Patterns Pack for Claude Code and Obsidian. Really straightforward. You log your stuff. Once you're finished logging your stuff, you get the Vault Analyst to go back and check what you've been doing and just say, hey, you've got space there to do a thing that might save you, 20 steps or 2 hours over the course of a week. As you keep going, it'll find patterns for you and just create skills and agents, or even look for opportunities, combine skills and agents for you. So really powerful stuff, and I hope you enjoy it. Link is in the comments and wherever the YouTube stuff is, and enjoy. See you in the next one.